Hello CIS scholars, how are you all? I hope you all are fresh and very energetic after these Diwali holidays, right? I am Yogita Singh, your English educator. Scholars, after these Diwali vacations, today we are going to start new chapter in grammar, that is chapter 11, articles. All of you know about articles, that there are three articles, a and the. Okay, so today we are going to study about articles and more about articles. Okay, so let's start. Yes, scholars, you can see in your textbook and here in this video that there is one exercise. What is written in that exercise? What you have to do, read the following poem and fill in the missing words. Okay, simply this is one poem and you have to read it and you have to fill the blanks with some words. Okay, so as you all know that the name of this lesson is article, so we will try to fill these blanks with articles. Okay, dash apple is dash red fruit. So what can come? As per our knowledge, an apple. Okay, an apple is a red fruit. Okay, it tastes crisp and sweet. They say it keeps the doctor away. Okay, this so all of you know that an apple a day keeps the doctor away, right? So as per our previous knowledge, we can fill this missing words. We can complete this poem, right? But what are the rules to write a and the in any sentence? That we will discuss today. Okay, now what are articles? So our first question, that what are articles? Articles, the words which used before noun and which modifies noun and functions as adjectives, that can be called as articles. So scholars, you all of you know that adjectives are the words which modify the noun, or adjectives gives us more knowledge about noun, right? But here what we can see, that articles are also words which used before noun and they are working as an adjective. They are not adjectives. Okay, a and the, these three articles are not adjectives but they are working as an adjective. Okay, and articles define whether the noun used in the sentence is specific or general. So scholars, you have to pay attention here on these two words, that whether the noun used in the sentence is specific or general. Okay, on the basis of that we can put articles. ओके मीन्स जो भी नाउन सेंटेंस में यूज़ किया है वो नाउन कैसा है, वेदर दैट नाउन इज स्पेसिफिक और जनरल. ओके, स्पेसिफिक मीन्स व्हेन इट टेल्स अबाउट पर्टिकुलर वन. Okay, when that noun is telling us about something particular, then that can be called as specific. Or when it's about common things, general things, then it can be called as general noun. Okay, so on the basis of nouns, on the basis of specific or general noun, we can put articles. Okay, now types of articles. There are two types of articles. First one is definite articles. Second one is indefinite articles. Okay, this you have to remember, that there are two types of articles, definite articles and indefinite articles. Under definite article, the can come. Okay, the is under definite articles. And unique, what is the purpose of the, where we can use the article? We can use the article before the nouns which are unique or which are specific, means which are showing us unique qualities, or which are showing us some specific thing, means about some particular thing when we are talking, then we before that we can use definite article, that is the. Okay, indefinite articles, a and an. These two comes in indefinite article. Okay, there are two indefinite article, that is a and an. Okay, when to use? With general noun, the noun which talks about general things or about any group, then we can use this indefinite article. But a and an can be used with singular noun only. Okay, let's see some examples of definite article and of indefinite articles. For example, when I'm saying I want the pencil which is blue in color, I want the pencil which is blue in color. Okay, here the is article. Okay, the is article which is used before the noun pencil. Okay, and in another sentence, the sentence of indefinite article, I want a pencil. Okay, here article is a and it is used before pencil. So how to know that here I have to use a and here I have to use the? Because here I am talking about particular one. I am talking about specific pencil. The pencil which is blue in color. Okay, so here this pencil is having some specific quality, blue in color. And here I am talking in general that I want a pencil. ठीक है, मुझे एक पेंसिल चाहिए. That can come in indefinite article, a pencil. And here I want the pencil which is blue in color. मुझे वो पेंसिल चाहिए जिसका कलर blue है. Right? So in this way you have to understand that where to use the and where to use a and an. Okay, so definite article, the can come in definite article, the can be used with unique or specific nouns, and a and an indefinite articles, it can be used in general nouns. It can be used with general nouns. Okay, now usage of a and an. When to use, where to use a and an. A and an both are indefinite article, right? But how to use, when to use a and when to use an. हमें कब a use करना है, कब an use करना है. Let's see. We can use a and an with singular countable nouns. This you have to remember, that we can use a and an only with singular countable nouns. Okay, another thing, a, we can use a and an. We can use a with 21 consonants. All of you know that in English language we have 26 alphabets, right? And out of that 26, 21 are consonants and 5 are vowels. So the words which starts with consonant, before that we can use a. Okay, we can use a article with the words which starts with 21, any one consonant. Okay, and there is one exception also in case of a, that we will discuss later. Here an, when to use an, we can use an with the words which starts with vowels, with 5 vowels, any vowels. Okay, the words which starts with any vowels we can use before that an, right? Now when I told you that there is one exception also, that a can be used with the words which sounds like consonants, whether that word starts with vowel, but if that word gives sounds of consonant, then we can use a before that word. I will show you some examples. Okay, and we can use an with vowels, with the words which starts with vowels. But if that word starts with consonant and gives a sound of vowel, then we can, then at that time also we can use an. Okay, now let's try to understand with some examples. Here log is a word which starts with consonant, so we can put a log. Big truck, big, b is a consonant, so before that we can use a big truck. Okay, a big truck. So now a uniform. Here U is not consonant, right? Here U is not consonant. It's an vowel. Okay, but we are using here a. Why? Because U is giving us, when we are pronouncing uniform, it's giving us a sound of Y. Y is consonant. Y is not vowel. U, uniform, right? So Y is here, U is giving us sound of Y. Y, okay? So Y for yoga, we are getting that sound. So Y is a consonant. That's why we are saying that here we can use A. Next example, a one-way road. A one-way road. O is vowel, but before that we are using here A. Why we are using here A? Because when we are pronouncing this one, we are not pronouncing O, we are pronouncing W, and W, wa, right? One, a one-way road. So W is a consonant, W is not a vowel. So here we have to write A. In the same way, we will see some examples in an. Like an ant. A is vowel, so before that we can use an. Then elephant is E is vowel, we can use an before that. R. Here H is written. H is not vowel, right? H is not vowel, but H is consonant. Even though we are writing here an. Why we are writing here an? Because when we are pronouncing it, we are not pronouncing H. H is silent here. We are pronouncing R, right? And R. So we are pronouncing here vowel. We are getting vowel sound here. So that's why we can write here an. On the basis of pronunciation also, we can put A and an. Okay. So on the basis of articles, on the basis of the rules where to use A and the, so on the basis of that rules, we have to do this exercise. Very small chapter this is. We have to fill this exercise. We have to do here, fill in the blanks with A, and, or the, right? Simple it is, very simple. So first one, I want dash apple from the basket. I want dash apple. So before this apple word, this word starts with vowel, right? Here A is vowel. So what we can put? We can put an. I want an apple from the basket. Okay. Then second one, dash church on the corner is progressive. So C is consonant, and here we are having specific quality of the noun. Means we are talking about the particular church, which church is which church is on the corner, right? So what we can write? The church on the corner is progressive, right? Now next exercise, fill in the blanks with A, N, or the. Same thing we have to do, right? Here one passage type thing is there, and we have to give title of that passage. Dash beer and dash bees. Here what we have? We have consonant words, right? So what we can write? We can use A or an, but what we have to see, on which thing we have to pay attention. First of all, we have to pay attention whether the noun is specific or general. So here we have specific noun, beer and bees. We are talking about particular thing, about beer, about bees. So the beer and the bees, right? And what is this? Aesop fable. So an Aesop fable. A is a vowel, right? Okay. Now dash beer came across dash log near dash apple tree where dash swarm of bees had nested to make their honey. Okay. So what we can write here? First of all, a beer came across a log near an apple tree where a swarm of bees had nested to make their honey. Okay. Yes, scholars. So on In this way you have to complete your exercises, and in next video we will start something new from student's book or from grammar. Okay, till that time what is your task? You have to complete this lesson, and till that time take care. Bye bye.